Hello, myself Mrs. C.S. Nirali, Assistant Professor from Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, Kekewak College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik. Under course number FCN 357, course title Instrumental Techniques in Food Analysis, today we will see regarding experiment number 9, isolation of RNA from plant tissues and separation by gel electrophoresis. RNA. Coming to RNA, it is a single stranded molecule. It is either linear, unfolded, or folded at certain regions to form loops. Three types of RNA are present in the living cell, such as mRNA, rRNA, and tRNA. mRNA is the largest among the three types of RNA. It is synthesized over the DNA strand in nucleus by transcription. mRNA carries genetic information from DNA to the ribosomes for a specific protein molecule. rRNA is present in the ribosome of cell. It is synthesized in nucleus. It provides a proper binding site to the mRNA and the ribosome during protein synthesis. tRNA is present in cytoplasm of cells. tRNA transfers a specific amino acid molecule from amino acid pool in cytoplasm to ribosome. Principle. Electrophoresis method involves lysis of cells with a monophoric solution of guanidine, isothiocyanate, and phenol. Addition of chloroform generates a second organic phase into which DNA and proteins are extracted. Leaving RNA in aqueous supernatant DNA and protein can be isolated from organic phase by sequential precipitation with ethanol and isopropanol respectively. RNA precipitated from aqueous phase with isopropanol can be further purified by chromatography on oligo DT cellulose columns. Gel electrophoresis. It is the pictorial representation of gel electrophoresis apparatus. Here, it contains a plastic frame in which the gel is settled and wells will be prepared. In those, we will be loading our sample depending upon the size of the sample. When we will be supplying electric supply with the help of buffer, the fragments will get separated. Smaller fragments move faster, whereas larger fragments move slower. Materials. Monophasic lysis agent 5 mm sodium citrate 0.1% mercaptoethanol 0.5% SDS. Chloroform, microcentrifuge tubes, ice 75% ethanol, isopropanol, sterile distilled water, RNA precipitation solution 0.5 molar disodium citrate, 15 H2O, 1.2 molar NaCl. No adjustment of pH is required. Ethylene bromide, formaldehyde, formamide, arsenal reagent, agarose gel with formaldehyde, TAE buffer with formaldehyde. Procedure Part 1. RNA isolation. RNA isolation was carried out using spinach leaves and also from animal tissue. The procedure applied for both was the same. The spinach leaves were treated with 0.25% NaCl so as to obtain proper lysis of cells and cooled. Spinach leaves and animal tissues were properly crushed and were homogenized with 1 ml monophasic lysis reagent in ice for 5 minutes. 0.2 ml of chloroform for 1 ml of monophasic lysis reagent were added. The mixture was centrifuged at 12,000 rpm for 50 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. The upper phase was taken in fresh tube and to 8.25 volume of isopropanol and 0.25 volume of RNA precipitation solution was added for each initial ml of monophasic lysis reagent. It was mixed thoroughly and was kept at room temperature for 10 minutes. This mixture was centrifuged at maximum speed for 10 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. Pellet was washed with 75% ethanol and it was kept open, allowing ethanol to get evaporated, but it was not allowed to dry completely. 100 ml of sterile distilled water was added to dried pellet and this RNA was stored at minus 70 degrees Celsius. Arsenal test was carried out to estimate amount of RNA. Pictorial representation of gel electrophoresis. First, the gel is prepared by measuring the volume and by heating procedure. And of before settling of the gel, we have to pour it into the tray. And when it is about to cool, we have to insert our comb to form the wells. We have to, when about to get solidified, we have to take out the comb so that the wells will be formed. In that wells, we have to apply our sample, loading our sample with the help of micro syringe or micro pipette. Then we have to run electric power supply. Afterwards, we have to check the movement of segments separated under UV light transmission. From the Arsenal test, the concentration of RNA was estimated, will be the final reading of our report. Okay, thank you for your patience listening. This is regarding gel electrophoresis, which is basically used in biotechnology, molecular biology, forensic science for both DNA and RNA testing and all different factors. Thank you. Thank you for your patience listening.